YouTube, IMT Midnight, and I am back. I have not done a sneaker video in years, I think, but this is gonna be a good one. I finally won a pair of sneakers on the Adidas Confirmed app. So let's check it out. Here we go, size 15 of the high-res Reds Yeezy Boost 700. I finally won a pair of 700s on the Adidas Confirmed app. Let's take a look at these bad boys. One of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever worn. Straight up. I'm gonna one hand. Wow, they look great in person. Look at that red. Wow, got it. Take a look how that red pops. The red, the orange, the dark teal. Wow, I almost dropped it. These bad boys look amazing. Zooming in that material though. Nice. Check out the red bottoms. No, these are not Louis Vuittons, but they got red bottoms anyway. Nice. Alright, let's take a closer look at them. Here's that red bottom again with the boost coming through. Adidas logo, a little bit of orange, dark teal, different colors of red. Nice vibrant red. Let's take a look this way. Really nice looking shoe, really comfortable looking shoe. Of course, this time we got the these infinity laces or whatever the heck they're called. Here's the different tags that they come with. Let's see, what does the inside look like? It's the world globe and the Yeezy logo. All right, that's cool. Let's take a look at the back. Take a look at the other side. Yes, these shoes are looking great. Next, I'm going to do an on-feet video. These are looking great. Can't believe I actually won an Adidas app. I actually paid retail for a pair of 700s. Feels good. Can't wait to try these bad boys on. All right, let's take a look at this 3M. Here's that 3M, the 3 stripes right down there. Let's take the 3M in the back. Looking good. Let's see what looks inside. We got the globe and the Yeezy logo. These infinity laces, whatever they're called. So you gotta tie them and just unloosen them. Pretty good looking shoes. I cannot wait to wear these. They look like perfect. Look at that. Looking good, looking good. On feet coming up next. Almost forgot to add that these also come with the regular laces if you're not a fan of the infinity laces, which I am not. So definitely going to be putting those laces on.